Most paranormal investigations happen at night, but what if that assumption is flawed? This theory explores whether circadian rhythms, the body's natural internal clock, play a role in how and when paranormal activity is experienced. Circadian rhythms regulate sleep, alertness, hormone levels, and perception over a 24-hour cycle. During daylight hours, the body is more alert, cortisol levels are higher, and the brain processes sensory input more clearly. At night, melatonin rises, vision decreases, and the brain becomes more prone to suggestion, pattern recognition, and heightened emotional response. This shift in perception may directly influence how activity is experienced. In low-light, high-fatigue conditions, the brain is more likely to interpret shadows, sounds, and subtle environmental changes as something meaningful, potentially explaining why many reports of paranormal encounters occur after dark. However, this doesn't mean activity is limited to nighttime. Instead, it raises a different possibility that paranormal phenomena, if they exist, may be constant, but human perception fluctuates based on biological cycles. To test this, investigators can compare daytime and nighttime data using the same equipment in controlled conditions. By aligning investigations with circadian peaks, periods of heightened awareness versus fatigue, they may uncover patterns in when activity is detected versus when it is simply perceived. There's also an environmental factor. Daytime brings more ambient noise, light, and electromagnetic interference, which can mask subtle anomalies. Nighttime, by contrast, offers quieter conditions, making small changes more noticeable. The key question becomes, are spirits more active at night, or are we simply more susceptible to experiencing them? By studying circadian rhythms alongside environmental data, investigators can begin separating biological influence from potential external phenomena, bringing a more data-driven approach to when and how paranormal activity is observed.